Teddy *, a charming bull Arab puppy, approximately 2 years old and weighing around 20 pounds, is available for adoption from mid-March. This lively and energetic canine is a mix of cattle, dog, bull Arab, and other breeds, making it an interesting and unique companion. With proper training and guidance, Teddy will thrive as a loyal and loving family dog, excelling in roles such as service animal or therapy work. His small size belies his robust personality, and he requires a strong commitment to ongoing positive reinforcement training and socialization from an early age.